Is Mom's life worthless?
In the grand scheme of things, yes.
Debbie.
How can you say those things? How could you say that about Mom?
Liar!
For the first time in your life, I'm telling you the truth.
You want to die for this planet? Fine. What's 17 more years? I can always start again. What will you have after 500 years?
I hear you, Dad. I still have you.
You're fighting so you can watch everyone around you die. Think, Mark. You'll outlast every fragile, insignificant being on this planet.